Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. Today, in this short video, I will be showing you how to do a hard reset on your Nokia Lumia 950. So let's go ahead and get straight to the point here. Our first step will be to power off our device. So once it's on here, we'll go ahead and power it off. Now with our device powered off, you want to click the power button and the volume down button both at the same time until we feel a vibration. Then we're going to go ahead and release the power button by keep holding the volume down button. So volume down, power, feel the vibrate, release power, keep holding the volume down. Now once you see the exclamation mark, you want to press volume up, down, power, down. So up, down, power, down. And that starts the reset process. Now you just wait for this to process all the way through and you are all set.